my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you all things beauty. Okay guys, so I've been playing around with the Essie polish. I applied some about close to a week ago, so it'll be a week tomorrow. And the reason why I wanted to test it on my nails is because I personally always have an issue when I paint my nails myself at home. They chip almost immediately and I hate to have chipped polish on my nails. So to avoid me having to constantly change the polish, repolish, or whatever, I decided to just steer away from polishing my own nails. And the only time you ever see me with color nails is when I actually have on false nails or gel nails, and that is when I'm going to the shop. So I was on the Superwoman group, the group that I follow on Facebook, that is phenomenal. Okay, so a very good, positive, uplifting group. So I'm on that group. Anyways, we were talking about, it was self-care week, and we're talking about things that we do for self-care. And this girl had posted, well, the originator had posted her painting her nails, and it had inspired me to do my toenails because that's usually what I paint. But I was posting on there, I was like, lately I haven't been painting my toenails either because it's like a 2-day process or a 3-day process. Take the polish off, and then I may have to wait to repolish a day or two later because my toddler is so busy right now. This girl is so busy, and I know you all know she's busy because she's usually in all the videos, okay? So she's so busy. So I was like, well, let me paint my toes because it is self-care week. And I used the Essie polish that I had hauled because it was a haul for me because Essie is expensive. So I caught it while it was on sale at Walgreens. They had, I think they had like either buy one get one or buy one get one 50% off. Whatever it was the greatest deal ever. So I got that, and I ended up getting some polishes, some Essie gel polishes, which I absolutely love. They are very long lasting on my toes, but I don't do much with my toes. I'm not like writing, cleaning, like doing things with my toes like I do with my fingers. And so you wouldn't get as much chipping with your toes. So I was like, let me put this Essie polish before I recommend it to people. Let me put it to the true test. Let me see how long it's going to last. Okay guys, so I'm going to walk you through polishing my nails. I did not film like I wanted to, where I was going to film every day to give you guys updates on my nails. But I'm going to tell you when the polish actually started to break down and the possibilities of why it started to break down. But let me tell you, I have been through it all within this week. Like most people who are busy go through it all, or just living go through it all. So anyways, let me walk you through this. I am about to show you a clip of me actually painting my nails, and I think I may have gotten 1 or 2 clips throughout the entire week of me and my nails and updates. But then I'll tell you about when it started to break down and if I recommend this Essie nail polish. Okay guys, so this is day 2, early morning. And so right after I had polished my nails yesterday, maybe 30 minutes later, I had to run out to the store really quickly. So I had went shopping just for a couple of items. Came back home, fixed dinner. I had already done the cooking, so I didn't have to like really manipulate much. Just fix everyone's plate. And then I played video games with the kids because we had family night with the hubby. He was off. And then we watched the movies. So far so good. No chipping, but I have not done anything chipping that will cause chipping to my nails. So this is just day 2. I am probably going to go out in the garden today. It is kind of rainy here in Chicago, so if the weather permits, I'm going to go out in the garden today. And because it's rainy, I'm kind of sleepy, so I don't know if I'm going to be washing any dishes today. If I do wash dishes, I will follow back up. But yeah, they're looking still pretty good. But it's just day 2, guys. Just day 2. I will follow back up tonight after I have finished doing all of my daily activities. Okay guys, so videoing after day 2 never did happen. It is on day 6 and I'm just now able to video updates on my nails. So let me zoom into my nails and tell you what is happening. So this is how my nails are looking on day 6. And day 6 nails come from a week of just doing it all. I got out in my garden. I went to the lake. I played in sand with the kids. I got in water a little bit. I went to an arcade and played arcade games. I washed dishes with the SOS pad a couple of times. And I didn't see chipping until actually yesterday, day 5. And it was after I cleaned my dishes with SOS pads again, and I don't wear gloves when I wash dishes, so I just use my bare hands. And I actually got out in my garden and I did a little digging of some plants and moving plants around. So I think that all affected my nails and how they look now. Okay guys, so all in all, I highly recommend the Essie polish. It did last for a whole week. And I didn't get chipping until day 5, and it still looked decent even with the chipping. I absolutely love it. And I know it looked decent with the chipping because of the color that I chose. But it did last through me going to the beach, playing in sand, washing dishes several times, using SOS pads without gloves, gardening without gloves, digging, doing all sorts of stuff, being a mother, being a wife, just dealing with everyday life. This polish lasts and it stood up to the challenges that it was facing, guys. So I absolutely love Essie gel polishes and I highly recommend them. With that being said, please subscribe to my page if you have not done so already. And to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon.